Annyeonghaseyo! Are you a fan of Korean food? Well, me, mom and dad likes the Korean food so much. What's up guys? Today we will be sharing one of our favorite Korean food. We need the following ingredients: shrimp, flour, salt, pepper, and onion leeks. We also need eggs. Let us start by beating the eggs. Then add the salt, pepper, and flour. Then mix well. Guys, this should be the consistency of the batter. Then set aside. Now let us cut the onion leeks into 2 to 3 inches long. By the way guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kindly hit the button below. And the list of ingredients is posted at the description box below. Guys, cut the end of the stalk to flatten it. Do you know guys, we are about to visit Korea this month, but unfortunately, due to COVID, it will not happen. Maybe next time. Now let us combine the leeks with the batter and mix well. Did you know that in Korea, this is called Haemul Pajeon? Let us cut the shrimps into cubes. Then add it into the mixture. Now let us set aside while preparing for our dipping sauce. Let's prepare the dipping sauce. First, we need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now, we will add 2 tablespoons of cane vinegar. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then mix well. After that, add 1 chili and onion leeks. Mix it until well blended. Pour 1 tablespoon oil on a non-stick pan. Add the mixture when the oil is hot enough. Scatter and flatten your pancake to cook it nicely and evenly. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes each side. Press. After 5 minutes, let us flip it again. And that's our Korean pancake. Cut it into serving size. Smells so good. It was cooked excelente. Got it guys, enough batter and leeks are nicely cooked. Taste test time! It's so yummy! Tastes like authentic Korean pancake. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!